Hey, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to the Build a Website Bootcamp for beginners, where you'll learn in real time with me and a small group of others how to build and launch your very own beautiful one-page website with HTML and CSS. My name's Brad Hussey, and I'll be personally guiding you through this bootcamp over the course of 4 weeks. I started my career as a front-end developer at a trendy design agency where I had the privilege of working on campaigns for big companies such as Toyota, Burt's Bees, Bumbo, Showtime, and Volkswagen, to name just a few. After 1 year, I quit my job in order to start my own design company where I've worked with clients from Honolulu to London and back. Currently, I teach the art, business, and craft of web design to an audience of more than 600,000 people with my courses, coaching, and bootcamps, like this one. I'm really excited to announce my new bootcamp, a live experience where we'll guide you step by step to plan and build your very first beautiful and professional one-page website based on your own style, personality, and brand in just 4 weeks. Better yet, you'll have a new set of skills and confidence that you can apply to every new project that you take on, whether it's personal, business, or a client website. Each week, you'll learn a new skill, and you'll be given an assignment to complete for review by myself and your cohort by the end of the week. This plan will allow you to make predictable progress every week so that by the end of the 4 weeks, you'll have an actual website live on the internet that you built yourself. You'll be given a handful of pre-designed one-page website templates that you can model, or you can choose to go rogue and build a completely custom site. We'll start by planning the layout, move on to coding, and then finally launching it live on the internet for everyone to enjoy. We'll meet as a group twice a week on Zoom, Mondays for teaching, Fridays for feedback and Q&A on your assignment, and every session is recorded just in case you miss one for any reason whatsoever. You'll also get 24/7 access to your cohort and myself in a private members-only forum where you can collaborate, provide feedback, and share your progress. I designed this bootcamp for the new web designer or developer who wants to learn how to build beautiful websites for themselves or their business or for clients, but struggles with layout, design concepts, and really just can't produce an appealing end result. So, if this sounds like you, and you're excited to learn with me and a small group of others in this beginner bootcamp for new web designers, I invite you to smash that register button and save your spot in the cohort. We'll see you on the inside.